Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just doing a video here on Pepsi. Got some great information. You're probably thinking, what's he doing talking about Pepsi? He's been talking about MJ all week. Well, this is, you'll just have to find out. So, again, this is PepsiCo, one of my favorite drinks. If you like Coke or Pepsi, put that in the comments. That would be interesting to know as well. I mean, I'll drink a Coke, but if I have my preference, I usually go for a Pepsi. But enough about that. PepsiCo, ticker PEP. And you can buy this one on Robinhood, and pretty much any brokerage you should be able to buy it. And if you're looking for a different brokerage outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description. You can get yourself some free stock, and maybe you'll get a share of Pepsi. Who knows what they're giving away now. So, I don't have a lot of Pepsi here in Robinhood. I have some more in a retirement account, but I do have a partial share here on Robinhood, so that's one of the cool things. I did buy this. We'll have to go back and look at it when Robinhood started doing the partial shares. I bought a bunch of stocks that I didn't have money for at the time, and bought some Pepsi. So, and you're probably saying, "Woohoo!" Threw $20 at it. But yep. So that's what I threw at it. $20, and it's worth $21.92. When I bought it, the average cost was $129.67, and you can see the partial share there. So. But if you want to see what this one's done over the last 3 months, it's just been kind of up and down, stays in this 140 to 142.45 range. There you could have got it, well, that was when everything went down, back on March 4th. Could have got it for 128, that would have been a pretty good deal. And so let's see, 25 days later, you'd have made about $16, $17. So. But here's what it's done in the last month. Had a really good run up in the last month. 8% up over $10.95. Here's in the last week. And today what it's doing. And if you want to see when I bought it, pretty decent ratings for 59%. As you can see, I've been getting dividends. That's another nice thing about this one. So last June 12th, I bought $10 at 128.41, and another 10 on the 19th. So in a week, it went up a little bit over $2. So not too bad. I like Pepsi stock. I just need to start buying some more of it, and that's one thing I haven't done. I have more Coke than I do Pepsi. This is another date to keep in mind. Is April 15th, which is usually tax day, but I think I heard they extended it to May something. I can't remember the date. But that's another thing to keep in mind with this one. This is their actual website. I just bought some of this last week, and the mango is pretty good. And I'm drinking a cherry Pepsi right now, so... but here's some of the products, some of the website. I'm not going to spend too much time here because I'm sure you know of all their products. But they're kind of diversified, a lot more than Coke, and got some other products as well, but we'll go over those at another time. This is the thing that I want to talk about. News about PepsiCo launches Rockstar Energy with, there's the magic word, HEMP. So, see, I didn't let you down. We're still talking about MJ and in regards to Pepsi. So, and this Energy plus Hemp. So, PepsiCo launches Rockstar Energy plus Hemp. And if we click into that, launches Rockstar Energy and Hemp, and this is just dated yesterday. So there's your Rockstar. If you like Rockstar, go ahead and put that in the comments. That would be interesting to know as well. PepsiCo has revealed a hemp beverage, Rockstar Energy plus Hemp, which debuts in Germany this week. So you might have to wait, or get on a plane and go over to Germany and try it, or have some shipped over here. Or, well, I don't know if you can do that. You'd have to check out the legalities of it. But So the launch in Germany marks PepsiCo's first foray in the hemp category. Hemp comes from the MJ family, but does not contain THC. So that's the what it does not contain. So with its drinks using hemp seed extract alongside ginseng, guarana, B vitamins, caffeine, sugar, and taurine. Sounds pretty good. While Germany is the launchpad for the new beverage launching this week in 3 varieties: Original Tropic Burst and Prickly Cactus. Very interesting. Pepsi has not specified if or when the plans to expand the beverage globally. Rockstar was acquired by PepsiCo for $3.85 billion in March last year, with the U.S. beverage and snack giant powering up its presence in the energy drink category, which also includes Mountain Dew, Kickstart, Game Fuel, and Amp. So lots of different products, and I've always been a Pepsi fan. And Rockstar has some 30 flavors available across 30 countries, including the United States. In Germany, Rockstar enjoys a market share of 35% of the energy drink category, with outstanding category growth of 58% compared to the previous year. Hemp products are the trend for the 2021 in the FMCG sector, says Pepsi. With energy and hemp, Rockstar is now expanding its energy portfolio to include 3 varieties with the trend ingredient hemp seed extract. And so very interesting, and I'm sure you'll be seeing in the months to come probably something with Coke. I heard a while back that they might team up with Hexo, but haven't really seen anything since that. But a lot of the beer companies, I think Coors, I think they've teamed up with somebody, and I'm sure eventually they will all team up with some MJ company at some point in time to get their products out there. Once one does, they're all going to follow. So, but feel free to pause and go over the rest of that information there for yourself. That's pretty much it for that article. This just kind of goes over some other articles that I found in regards to Pepsi. Ready-to-drink beverages market to see huge growth by 2026. Pepsi and Coke and Cargill. What's ahead in the global ready-to-drink beverage market? Benchmark yourself for the strategic steps and conclusions recently published by AMA. And this is just dated today. Latest released, the research study on global ready-to-drink beverages market offers a detailed overview of the factors influencing the global business scope. Ready-to-drink beverages market research report shows the latest market insights, current situation, analysts with upcoming trends, and breakdown in the products and services. Study covers emerging players data, including competitive landscape sales, revenue, and global market. Share of top manufacturers are Pepsi, Coke, Nestle, Cargill, Diageo, Red Bull, Danone, Anheuser-Busch, Dr. Pepper, Snapple, and Unilever. And feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there for yourself. Here it goes over about rising obesity in North America and Europe has led to people demanding a diet-friendly products such as low-calorie, low-sugar, and no sugar. There's quite a bit of information in here. I'm not going to go over all this information. I still have more to go over. You can find this on Digital Journal. PepsiCo remains a high-quality stock and is recovering from its recent pullback. And this is just dated on the 5th. Pepsi stock has rebounded quickly from its recent pullback, which saw the share price briefly dip below 130, and I believe that was back on March 4th or 5th at 128 something. With a deep economic moat, high margins and a solid dividend, PepsiCo remains a high-quality stock and could provide a great opportunity for more cautious investors. So if you're cautious and want some safe stocks, I would look at Pepsi. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do your own due diligence. But currently trading around 141 a share, just a few dollars below its all-time high. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there yourself. This kind of goes over why Pepsi stock is bouncing back. The recent double-digit sell-off is a consequence of corrections seen on the NASDAQ, with investors becoming skittish about tech stock valuations. The NASDAQ 100 QQQ index fell sharply in February and early March. Pepsi obviously isn't a tech company, but it's still one of the top 15 in the index by portfolio allocation. And so there's your answer to why it dipped. Feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Modest returns going forward. And people are never going to quit drinking Pepsi. I think it's recession-proof to a certain extent. It was interesting when I was researching stimulus checks a while back. It was talking about different things that people would spend their stimulus check on, and one was junk food. I thought was pretty interesting. So PepsiCo stock is a good bet for the long-term investors, and that's what I think as well. It's a good long-term stock. Has increased more than 9% in the last month and now trades at $141 per share. The rise was driven by economic as well as company-specific factors. The successful rollout of the vaccination program and stimulus measures set to be announced have led to expectations of faster. Pepsi to report Q1 earnings is a beat in store. Again, this is dated on the 9th, is expected to register top and bottom line growth when its report for first quarter 2021 numbers on April 15th before the opening bell. Just like I said, be watching for earnings. For quarterly earnings, the Zacks consensus estimate is pegged at $1.12, suggesting growth of 4.7%. And there's a chart for you to pause the video and look at. Key factors to note. It's also got snacks and food business. I didn't want to jump into that. I'm sure if you know about Pepsi, you probably already know that. Frito-Lay, Quaker food business. That's why I like Pepsi stock more than Coke. It's 3 times the price, but I feel you get more, just more opportunity with it. So they're both good stocks. I own both of them. So back to Reddit, dividend and more. 3 days ago. See if we can find any other information. Coke versus Pepsi. Not much in here. And again, trading at 142.57. Back to stock twits here. Top flow money, SPY, Amazon, Pepsi, QQQ. I don't know what this TMO, Thermo, Fisher, Scientific. Not sure what that is. Superstocks app. Psychedelics. I'm working on a psychedelic video here. I'll probably be releasing that later tonight. I've already done quite a few psychedelics. MindMed and a couple other ones. I can't remember the other ones that I've done. Gotta love Looney Tunes with a Bitcoin. I also talked about Bitcoin here on the channel. I pretty much try to touch about everything. So, but that's all the information that I have on Pepsi. Again, just wanted to bring this to your attention, as I feel that's a pretty cool partnership for Pepsi, as well as Hemp and Rockstar and good energy drink plus hemp, so kind of the best of both worlds, or all three worlds: Pepsi, Rockstar, and hemp. So get a triple whammy there. So, and plus it's ginseng and all these other products. So it looks like a pretty interesting drink there. So, but if you haven't Pepsi, go ahead and leave that in the comments along with your cost basis. And I'm sure if you have it, you're long on it, or maybe you are trading it. Who knows? So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and get the videos out to more people. And go ahead and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for all the support on the channel, and for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.